spotted this radio on eBay a couple of days ago. I think it was just before the weekend. I thought, oh, that looks quite nice. It's a HMV. It's a series strung set, and I thought, oh, that looks quite a nice radio. Not working. I was looking for radios that weren't working, and you see this is the front panel here. It's a close up of the wave change switch. It looks in lovely condition, and the seller only wanted £5 for it. So I thought, well, I'll take a punt on that. So I paid the £5, and I think it was £5 postage, and as you can see, it's a series strung set with a series resistor, and it turned up today. So this is really sort of like an unboxing video, and also just to show you what's inside. So this is the box. Comes nicely wrapped, so that's good. Delivered by my Hermies, which are not exactly renowned for looking after parcels, but the box is in pretty good condition. So let's open up and have a look, see what we've got inside. I thought it was time to do a not an unboxing video, but maybe a radio restoration or radio repair. I haven't done a radio video for a while, so I thought that's why I was sort of looking out for something to work on. I think this box is upside down actually. Polystyrene, plastic bag. There we go. Right, yeah, this looks like it's going to be a lovely radio. Just get the bag off so you can see it in all its glory. Oh, it's perfect condition. Look at it, isn't it beautiful? So that's lovely. So I think what we'll probably start with is to just power it up and just check to make sure it's all okay. It's one of the valves there, you see. So yeah, I'll have to contact the seller and thank him very much for packing it so carefully, and it's arrived in perfect condition. It's lovely, isn't it, to know that the radios like this are 55, 60 years old, people want to sell them, and they're so interested in selling them on to someone who's going to love and restore them. And of course, clearly this is the case with this customer or this seller. You know, he's wrapped it very carefully, and it's arrived to me in impeccable condition, really. I mean, it's almost like new. I mean, I'd ask, I think I'd push you if I said this to you: is this in good condition, or is this in sort of slightly used? Was this a brand new radio, or is this a radio that's had a little bit of use? I think it would catch you, wouldn't it? You'd be saying, well, Simon, I think that's a new radio. And I say, yeah, that's what I thought. But no, it's not. It's actually a used radio, but hardly anywhere on it at all. So I think we'll pause this, but this may be the first part of the video. The next part will be to try and power it up and see if it works, because it looks like it's in new condition. So we'll power it up, give it a go and see what happens. Thanks for watching.